middle line right here. That's the linea alba.
Okay,
linea
down
alba.
the middle.
Down the middle is linea alba.
Now these sections right here, the long parts, are the rectus abdominis.
Rectus abdominis.
Can you point it again?
This right here is the rectus abdominis, and this is the rectus abdominis. It's on both sides of the linea alba.
Okay.
All right.
So this is the here, I'll point right here is the rectus abdominis.
On both sides of the linea alba.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, in this section right here, this is the external oblique, and think of it as going into
External
your
oblique.
front pocket.
Okay, so the muscle is going this
See, the
direction.
fibers are going this direction.
So they're going into the front
this
pocket.
is the oblique, the
You guys
external.
are experts.
And then if you open it up in there, this section right here that's going outwards, going into your back pockets,
That's the internal.
that's the internal
Internal
oblique.
oblique.
Only two obliques.
All right.
Okay, external oblique, internal oblique.
And then inside here, where the fibers are going this way,
Transverse.
they're transverse. That is the transverse abdominis.
Where is that again?
Right here.
Yes.
See this section right here where the hair is not supposed to be?
Okay.
And
Okay.
it's the fibers are going. See how the fibers go this way? Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Transverse oblique.
So that's. Should I point to it for you? The transverse oblique.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Can you
All right.
see? Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna play the repeat game with you guys.
Okay.
So that way everybody gets it memorized. Okay. This line down the middle is the
Linea alba.
linea alba. Okay.
What are the
So this line
sections?
down the middle is the
Linea
linea
alba.
alba. Together.
Linea alba.
Linea alba. All right. This is the muscles on the side of it are the
Rectus
Rectus
abdominis.
abdominis.
All right. So the sides of the linea alba
Or
are
the
the
rectus abdominis.
Oh, wait.
the ones over here is the
Rectus abdominis.
rectus abdominis.
Sorry.
All right.
See this section right here going into
External
yeah,
oblique.
so the external oblique goes in your front pocket. So the
External oblique.
external oblique.
All right.
And
And
then
then
if you
the
flip,
internal oblique.
yeah, and these internal oblique, you see this section right here that's going out. You see the fibers going towards the
Yeah.
back. That is the internal oblique.
Internal oblique.
Maybe point to this.
That's the internal oblique.
Okay.
You guys got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. And inside
That's
here
the
is
transverse.
Transverse
transverse
abdominis.
oblique.
Abdominis.
Abdominis. Sorry, don't say
Transverse
Transverse
abdominis.
transverse abdominis. I said oblique on accident. I'm sorry.
Okay, so
I know
transverse
it's not the oblique.
All right. So
Okay.
that is what we have to memorize for the abdominals.
Okay.
All right.
Yay.
So for the leg, we're gonna go down to the inner thigh.
All right. So there's two flaps here. All right. Flap number 1, flap number 2. All right. This one is the sartorius.
Sartorius.
Yeah. So this flap right here on the lateral side is the sartorius.
All right.
And medially is the gracilis.
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 All right. So what is this one?
Sartorius.
Sartorius. What is this one?
Gracilis.
What is this one? What
Sartorius.
is this one? All
Gracilius.
right.
It's actually gracilis.
Gracilis.
This one's sartorius.
Sartorius.
And this is gracilis.
Gracilis.
Okay. That way we can help with spelling too.
Exactly.
All
Thank
right.
Okay, and
you.
as we flip this over,
Okay. We'll flip the which
we'll
one?
flip
The gracilis.
All right. The gracilis.
Gracilis
up first.
over.
Okay, so I'm going to use this instead.
All right.
All right. So this section right here is called the semitendinosus.
Semitendinosus.
Do you want to take a picture real quick?
Semitendinosus.
Pushing it away so that you can see the muscle separation.
Oh, okay.
Your hamstrings?
Yes.
Semitendinosus.
That's your hamstrings.
Yeah. There are three muscles in your hamstrings: biceps femoris, semi-tendinous, and then semi-membranous.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this one right here is a membranous, right?
Yeah. Semimembranosus.
Semimembranosus.
All right.
And this is the rectus femoris. And there's two
Rectus
heads. So
femoris.
this section right here and this section right here are all the rectus femoris.
Or biceps femoris.
This one's the rectus femoris.
Rectus femoris.
Femoris.
This is okay. And don't get okay. And
No,
this.
wait.
Which one?
Because you
Are we
said
saying this
hamstrings, right? So the hamstrings would have biceps femoris.
No, it's not
Are we
biceps.
doing the posterior or anterior?
I'm just.
No, it's the adductor femoris. That's not the rectus adductor
Wait,
femoris
wait,
is on the other side. Sorry.
Oh, no.
This is the, I apologize. This is
Tendinosus,
semi-tendinosus, semi-membranosus, and this is the
Adductor.
ad as in adding.
Abductor
femoris.
femoris.
It's adductor femoris.
Apologies.
Abductor
Sorry, and there's
femoris.
two heads on the adductor femoris.
Can we do those three again?
Okay, semi-tendinosus,
Semi-tendinosus,
semi-membranosus,
semi-membranosus, and the abductor.
Adductor.
Ad as in adding.
Adductor.
Adductor femoris. And there's two heads on this. See this section right here that looks like it's not part of it? This is part of the adductor femoris. And this section that's long right here is the adductor longus.
Longus.
Don't confuse
adductor
this
longus.
longus with this part that is part of the adductor femoris.
The little one is part of
So
the
you can always number it, 1 as the semi-tendinosus, 2 as the semi-membranosus, 3 as the adductor femoris, and 4 as the adductor longus, so that you can remember those. So number those 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right.
Yeah.
So back to the top on the legs.
Yeah, so
Okay.
do we want to go over that one more time?
Okay.
Why not?
Semi.
Semi-tendinosus,
Semi-tendinosus.
semi-membranosus, adductor femoris,
And then adductor longus.
adductor longus.
All right. From the top.
Sorry about that. The
Right.
rectus femoris is actually on this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this flap over here is called the.
Sartorius,
Right. This one is called the.
gracilis,
So what's this one called again?
sartorius,
This one.
gracilis,
All right.
And if we flip it over, this cut section right here, this is the rectus femoris. This is the one I was mixing up with the adductor femoris.
that one.
This is rectus, and rectus means long. So you know it's the long section that goes from the hip to the knee. It's the rectus femoris. Rectus meaning
Is it
long,
like your
and
quads?
femoris meaning it's to the femur. So rectus femoris. This is the rectus femoris. I don't know if that helps.
rectus femoris,
All right.
And this one right here is the vastus medialis because it's on the inside portion.
So the medial side.
vastus
The medial side, the rectus
medialis,
And then on this side is the rectus lateralis.
rectus
It's on the lateral side.
Can you look that up a little bit more?
This one right here?
No, not the rectus femoris, the
rectus
lateralis.
lateralis.
Lateralis can't really be
How about
lifted
this
that
one?
much
Yeah,
more, but
that's
it's
better, yeah.
this.
Okay.
This.
Rectus lateralis.
Rectus lateralis.
Oh, no, vastus lateralis. Don't say rectus, sorry.
Okay.
Vastus lateralis.
Lateral.
I'm being a bad teacher.
Vastus
Vastus lateral.
vastus
It's on the outside on
lateralis.
the side.
Yeah, the
Yes.
laterals.
It's on the lateral side.
All right. And then on the other side, we have the vastus medialis, because those are the medial.
And this one sounds like a latte you get from Starbucks. It's the tensor fascia latte.
Tensor
fascia latte.
fascia latte.
Starbucks special.
Yeah, the tensor fascia latte was not that nice. I'm just kidding, but but yeah, and it's mostly tendon. You see how it's got a little bit of muscle right here, but it's mostly tendon. So that's why it's called the tensor.
Tensor
It's a lot of fascia material and tendon material.
All right. So say this together. What is this one?
tensor
Fascia latte.
fascia latte.
All right.
Mocha latte.
Tensor fascia latte. No, I'm just kidding.
Fascia latte.
I know. All right. So we'll review the legs again.
All right.
Okay.
And this
So
time
this.
I won't mix up the words.
Okay. So this first flap is the
Sartorius.
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 All right. This one is called the.
Gracilis. Gracilis.
Say what happened? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the.
Sartorius.
Underneath the sartorius, we have the.
Rectus
Rectus femoris.
All right. Say that again together.
Rectus femoris.
Okay. On the medial side is the.
vastus medialis.
Vastus
Vastus
medialis.
medialis. So say that together again.
Vastus medialis.
This is the
This is the
part.
The
This part is the tensor.
fascia latte.
All right.
And then this is the vastus laterals.
Yeah,
Vastus
lateralis.
lateralis.
All right. Over here is the
Gracilis.
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 Underneath the gracilis, we have.
And the
Semi-tendon. Remember, tendon is always going to be first. Semi-tendinosus.
Tendinosus.
Semi-tendinosus.
And the second one is a semi-membranosus.
Membranosus.
And remember, this is the ad, as in you're adding.
Adding.
Adductor
femoris.
And remember, the adductor femoris has how many heads?
Two.
Two. Okay. And this is the.
Something long.
Yes, very good. Adductor longus.
Abductor
Longus.
All right. Now we'll go back to the abs before you guys have to move again. Okay, the line down the middle is called the
Linea alba.
the sides.
Rectus abdominis.
The section going into your front pocket is your
Oblique. External oblique. Internal oblique.
okay.
And transverse.
Transverse abdominis.
Good.
There you go.
Thank
Good
you.
job.